This is why you don't put your hand in a northern gill plate. We are on, baby. We are on. Oh, baby. And then we are here with Northland Custom Ironworks. What?
Can I do a double?
Let's do it. Look at that. Take a look at that spinach. Alright, we're here with SWAKOutdoors right now. Alright, first fish after lunch. This is my brother from Baited Fishing Edition. Big timer on Instagram.
We got a spinner.
We're out here in Minnesota doing some tip-up fishing. What we're using is just sucker minnows on a tip-up, seeing what we can catch. It's a beautiful day, it's about 35 degrees.
Got about 6-7 inches of ice.
So, we'll see what happens. We are on, baby. We are on. Big girl.
Oh, it's a big northern. Ow! Whew.
I'm gonna need your help to get him. Oh, that's nice.
Got him.
Beauty. Ow, their gills are sharp. Yeah, rip my hand up. This is why you don't put your hand in a northern gill plate. That hurts. Ow. Let's put a little snow on it. There we go, much better. Stick your finger in there. Do it for the views.
Wanna give him a kiss?
Alright, we're on, baby. She's taking off.
We got a spinner.
We got a spinner. Nice.
Oh, it's a fighter. Try not to cut your fingers this time.
Doesn't even know he's hooked. Oh, baby. Another northern, could be a keeper. Nice. Look at this baby. Beauty. We'll be keeping that one. Only a minor growth. We'll take it. Alright, we put the gloves on this time so I don't get cut. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, we got a flag.
We got a flag.
Here, get it. Oh, you got this. We are on, baby. Look at that. Take a look at that spinach. Whew, we're running low on line. You get him? Nice.
I think he's small or coming towards us. maybe not.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he's a... Oh!
Broke off?
Right there.
No!
It happens.
Crap! That was a spinach. A little bit. Got slow mover. He's on there.
Not quite like Popeye.
Oh, he's taking mine. Got him.
Oh, crap! Oh, that was quite a run. Okay, I'll get ready to grab him.
Bye. Holy crap! We might need a second hole to get this thing in. This thing is massive.
Okay, ready?
Yep, I'll try to grab them, but it is. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. We're gonna need a second hole. Oh jeez. Take off?
Yep.
Holy crap.
Just grab the ice scoop. Maybe we can push your head back.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab the scooper. Yeah. Look at the size of that thing. Ooh. Baby.
What a fight!
That's really nice. Beauty. We're gonna weigh what we got so far.
Any guesses?
What, 4 pounds?
So, we're in kilograms.
Oh, yep.
3.63.
Okay, that's a nice one.
Good guess, Phil. Good guess. How about this one?
Alright, I'm saying 8, 9 pounds.
I'm gonna go 8.4. Still says 3.63 pounds.
Alright, we'll have to reset it.
8.1814.
Dang. Nice. We're just on an undisclosed lake that we're not going to tell you where it is. But yeah, the northern action is just amazing. It's one of a kind.
Broke the hook.
You need a stronger line on there. Alright, first fish after lunch.
Another big one.
These things are just running. Came off? It's that line again. Or did you go straight up on it?
Oh, he's still there. He's still there.
Oh! Just kidding.
Weird.
That was really weird. He started heading in.
Oh, just snap.
Big old snaky. Nice. Not a happy camper. Oh, nope. Took it right out of his mouth.
Awesome.
That's never good. That's never good. Still here?
Yeah, that comes the time on any.
Oh yeah, he's there.
So. I'm putting that out. There you go. Yeah.
Oh wow.
He's a little pissy.
He's angry.
Like I like to talk.
Oh, that might be our keeper.
Nice.
That's a beauty. That's actually a nice fish. I didn't think he'd be this big.
Look at that fat belly. Probably just ate something.
Yeah, you need a little stronger.
No.
line. There's SWAKOutdoors. Oh, he didn't even break you
You
up.
can break me off. I wonder if it was a bass.
What do we have going on?
Got a few northern pike. Some good quality northern pike.
Rolling the northerns right now in some hot oil. And we got a... We're just keeping up with the temperature. You want it around 350 to 400 degrees. Correct, SWAKOutdoors?
Correct.
Wow.
Damn it, that was hot.
And then we're here with Northland Custom Ironworks. Proud sponsor of our channel. You can see right here, he's got some beautiful apparel if you're ever interested in getting some of that. You got anything to say about your company?
If you need any welding, give us a call.
You heard it here, folks. Northland Custom Ironworks, you check them out. We're just rolling up our last batch. All we did was use a little shore lunch, just the way to go. And a little Everglades seasoning. Not naming where I got that idea, but you may know that YouTuber that does that all the time. Oh yeah. What do you think? Good?
I think we're good.
I think we're good. That's looking nice and crispy. That's looking pretty good. Here's our finished product. Northland Custom Ironworks, how you liking the fish? Is it good?
Great fish, great fish.
Alright, that's good.